I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Tonight I'm going to put the band on the top of the lid, get the canvas mounted on, get the hinges mounted on, and have all the body of the toolbox finished. Then I just got to put the lock on it.
With the top off, it's easy to shorten the hinge bolts by using the grinder. So rather than taking the sand out of the inside of the toolbox, I decided to just shorten them while I'm doing this.
Well, I'm running into a problem. When they made this band, they put a lamination there. And that lamination I want to have on the back so it doesn't show. When they put it on the chest, they put it on the front. And I want to have it on the back. So that means I have to adjust this so that it lets me put it on like this. Let's see if this shoehorn will work. Seems like it's doing it. I want to have the metal band cover the edge of that canvas. It seems to be covering. And it's going to protect the corners, especially the corners on this canvas because it's kind of brittle. But I think I've got it. I think that's a success. I'm going to tap it down just a little bit right there. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Just down below the curve, right where I want it. Now go in here with my 7/64 pilot hole, and I should be all set. There, hot band is on, hinges are on. Next step is lock. And I gotta go along and touch up these heads to make them gold too, so that everything looks the same. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.